Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's my first video, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, I've managed to get my hands on some NRL 2024 trading cards and the folder as well. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Comment on who your favourite player is at the moment, the team you go for. And if you also collect trading cards, what cards you've got at the moment. I'm very new to this, so we'll see how we go and we'll see what we can get today. I might do a giveaway in the future. We'll see what happens, but yeah. Anyway, we'll get stuck in. So. If I can get the box open. Alright, let's move the folder out of the way for a sec. Okay. So, geez, we got a lot in there. Let's see if I can fix this camera angle a little bit. Alright. So we'll get stuck straight into it. Now, again, I'm very new to this. I haven't actually checked out what we have here and what's rare, but I'll guess we'll see as we go. So, oh jeez, having a tough time trying to open these packs. Alright, so Ruben Cotter, Jerome Hughes, Campbell Graham. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm not too familiar with the female players. I need to learn a bit more about them actually. But yeah, so we got Jerome Hughes. That looks like a bit of a different card there. So, Jerome Hughes. I'll have to figure it out as I go. The Newcastle badge, Junior Bolo, John Bateman, and Val. Tafari. Yeah, he hasn't played for a while, hey? He's yeah, I think he's been playing the reserves or something. Or maybe he's injured. I don't know, it's been a while since I've seen him. So. Okay. Hopefully I get better at opening these packs as we go. It's not going too well. I'll have to get the scissors. Alright, so looks like we got a Titans player there. Bit of a spoiler. Sebastian Chris. Nanai. Radley. Oh, okay. Scott Sorensen. Signature. Looks like a nice card there. Might chuck that up on here. Okay, let's bring it a bit closer. There we go. Alright. Jane Sewer. Warriors badge. Sci Beatty, Micah Sivo, and Brimson. Alright. Have a bit more luck. Jonathan here. Alright. There we go. Jeez. Right, let's try not to spoil it too much. Alright. Cody Walker. Very nice. He's playing some good footy at the moment for the Rabbits. I know they're struggling, but yeah, they're looking to be in some form at the moment. So, Mulatalo, Carraz, Fisher Harris. Okay, so we've got Weld in league card by the looks of it. So, looks like an up and coming player. Or is this a... Okay. Yep. Okay, so she is playing for the Cowboys at the moment. Again, sorry, my knowledge on the women's league is quite... It's quite non-existent at the moment, so I really need to get into that. Cameron Munster, Reese Walsh, Ben Trebojevic, and the Tigers checklist. So yeah, okay. I might do a two-part video to this, just so I can get used to how everything works. Might do a three-part video actually, because it seems to be that the people are coming over at the moment, so might get a bit noisy. Alright, so we got Isaac Tungo, Nico Hines, Nick Meaney, Rising Star, Talon De Silva. He seems alright too. I haven't actually seen much of him, but I play a lot of NRL fantasy and Super Coach, and yeah, I mean, judging from some of the points he's got, he's not too bad. But yeah. Anyway, Christian Welch, Tommy Gilbert, Kurt Capewell, Tommy Trebojevic, and Jaden Campbell. Fun fact, I actually went to school with Jaden Campbell. He was in my grade, so... I might make this the last pack. Then we'll go into the next video. World of League, Jamal Fogarty, Martin, Benny Hunt. Alright, might finish it up there. Continue with the rest of the box in the next video. So yeah, I'll probably do a three-part video now that I understand the general gist of things. So until next time, take care. This is the card collector, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.